Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're a Microsoft 365 user and have all the Office apps and so on, one of the things that was happening is that Microsoft really wanted to have the Microsoft 365 Copilot also installed on your PC. And so starting last December, Microsoft had started to install it by default. And if you look in your app list in the Microsoft 365 Copilot, could be in the app list. It is here. You see it here. One of the things that is happening is that suddenly Microsoft has stopped deployment. They were expecting deployment to be over by early this year, but at some point they stopped, and there's no explanation. They just say that they have halted deployment of the Microsoft 365 Copilot, and that if you want it, there's a way to get it, but that for now the deployment is halted. No reason why, no idea. So they're not explaining what's happening. Is it in the idea that they're slowing down Copilot deployment? We talked yesterday about this in Windows, where there were some interesting news about Copilot AI that will not be added to some of the apps, the core apps, and within certain apps like settings and even the file explorer within Windows. They decided to not do this anymore. Are they thinking also that maybe pushing Microsoft 365 Copilot on machines is also something that they should think about again? One thing for sure is that we don't really know why, but I think a lot of people are not going to say they're not happy with this because so many users just don't want to have Copilot AI on their machines. So it's altered for now for all of the Microsoft 365 users. If you don't see it in your app list, well, you won't get it for now as the deployment is halted. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.